Hello guys. In this video I am going to PvP with my ice fruit and with blizzard fruit. Because I want to practice PvP with these fruits too. As I am a Kitsune main in PvP with build of Sanguine Art. I will PvP with this guy.
Yes.
The guy I am PvPing is a 3 mildo user.
Look at this dude.
If I had max stats on Blox Fruits or max level, it would be one shot. Oh, this guy wants to do one more round.
Round 2.
Bruh.
Huh?
I thought one more person was away on my V4. Always remember to say GG when you won. Guys, blizzard fruit was on stock. So I have bought it, because once I was a blizzard fruit user. That time my favorite fruit was blizzard because it has very awesome moves and flight does damage. It is time that I will buy it again. And then I will test it in PvP and other stuff. It would bring back memories. Yes. Let's see blizzard fruit's powers. I missed this fruit so much. After testing its powers I will PvP with it. I don't know much combos with this fruit. So I am gonna just try. So don't judge me. Wow, this is the flight ability. Let's test how much damage this fruit does at 2300 stats because I am not max level. Wow. It does decent amount of damage. I am going to PvP with my friend with Blizzard. I don't think I can stay alive for a long time. am not worried that I will die to him. Because we already did 3.
Huh?
Bruh.
Huh?
Who killed me? I think someone killed me when I was low. I would not let that aside. Let's PvP with that guy. I am no longer in fun mode. This is the guy who killed me. For some reason he is friend to me. But I won't forgive him. I convinced the guy to PvP me. I think he was lagging or glitching. But anyways, I don't care, I got my bounty back. So I will find a high bounty player to fight with me, because I want to get better at PvP with these fruits. I told the Stow guy to PvP with me. He was a 6 million bounty player. I know I did not have much chances to win in front of him. wanted him to PvP me last time. Then I would shift to Ice Fruit. And still if I die, I have to bring my ultimate weapon, which is the Kitsune Fruit. Actually, Dough Fruit is very good for PvP. I want to test Dough Fruit. Don't be surprised if I ate or bought Dough Fruit from stock in this video.
Bruh.
I couldn't take it anymore, so I decided to try PvP with Ice Fruit. Bye bye Blizzard Fruit. So guys, I know I got cooked by him 3 times. But after this I had also PvP him with my Kitsune Fruit. And I had killed him 2 times, though my main build is Kitsune and Sanguinart. But no one would believe this would ever happen because I didn't record it sadly. Anyways, guys, if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing and like my videos to show support to my channel. I will see you in my next Blox Fruits video. Till then, bye bye.